Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about a very important question. What really keeps your face clean? Everyone wants their face to stay glowing, clear, and beautiful. But because of dust, pollution, poor diet, and stress, our face often looks dull and dirty. Sometimes it even develops pimples, blemishes, and dryness. So in today's video, we'll learn what things actually keep your face clean and which habits can help you get a natural glow. Let's get started. 1. Cleaning your face with water. Water is called the nectar of life, and it's the simplest and most effective way to clean your face. Wash your face at least 2 to 3 times a day with normal or lukewarm water to remove dirt, sweat, and dust. Washing your face in the morning clears the dirt that builds up overnight. Always wash your face after coming home from outside to keep pollution and dust from clogging your pores. Splashing your face with cold water also reduces puffiness and gives freshness. 2. Natural home remedies. Nature has gifted us many ways to keep our face clean safely. A lemon rich in vitamin C, it brightens the skin. Mix lemon juice with honey to lighten dark spots. B. Turmeric has antibacterial properties. Mix with yogurt or milk for a glowing face pack. C. Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth. Absorbs excess oil and tightens the skin. Use once or twice a week. D. Aloe vera hydrates, soothes, and gives a natural glow. Apply fresh gel directly on the skin. 3. Face wash and mild cleansers. Sometimes water alone is not enough, especially for oily skin. That's when a mild face wash or cleanser helps. Oily skin use a gel-based face wash. Dry skin go for a cream-based or moisturizing cleanser. Sensitive skin pick herbal or chemical-free face wash. A face wash removes deep dirt and extra oil, leaving the skin clean and soft. 4. Scrubbing. Dead skin cells make your face look dull. Scrubbing once or twice a week removes them. Use gentle hands while scrubbing. A simple DIY scrub. Mix sugar and honey. Scrubbing also helps open pores and reduce blackheads/whiteheads. 5. Sunscreen. Cleaning isn't enough. You must also protect your skin from the sun. UV rays damage the skin and cause spots. Always apply SPF 30 or higher before stepping outside. Sunscreen prevents tanning, dark spots, and early wrinkles. 6. Moisturizer. A clean face looks even better when hydrated. Moisturizer keeps the skin soft and prevents dryness. Oily skin use oil-free moisturizer. Dry skin go for cream-based moisturizer. Best time right after a shower and before going to bed. 7. Balanced diet. Glowing skin starts from within. Eat fresh fruits, leafy veggies, salads, and sprouts. Foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E are best for skin health. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Avoid oily and junk foods that trigger pimples. 8. Beauty habits and hygiene. Small daily habits also make a big difference. Don't touch your face with dirty hands. Never sleep with makeup on. Keep your towels, pillow covers, and makeup brushes clean. Gently massage your face for better blood circulation. 9. Proper sleep and stress management. Your sleep and mental health show directly on your face. Get 7 to 8 hours of good sleep daily. Stress can cause pimples and dark circles. Try yoga, meditation, or regular workouts to stay calm and healthy. 10. When to see a doctor. If you often get pimples, allergies, itching, or unusual spots, consult a dermatologist. Home remedies and products don't work the same for everyone. So friends, now you know what keeps your face clean. With simple water, face wash, natural remedies, a healthy diet, proper sleep, and good habits, you can always enjoy a clear, glowing, and beautiful face. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thank you.